Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights
in the jungle.
In the jungle.
How do you feel about being in the jungle?
Weird. It's amazing.
There's some exciting things planned. At 3 p.m. we have an elephant bathing. So we're gonna go into a muddy
The
river.
elephants are gonna bathe us.
Yeah, exactly. And tomorrow we have an overnight jungle tour, which I'm super excited about. And yeah, we're staying at a pretty cool place. You good?
Mosquito.
Yeah, there's a lot
Mosquito.
there's a lot of insects here, but I'm excited. It's excited. What the fuck? Did you just swallow a fly?
Spinnenweb of zo liep er langs.
It's off to a great start.
Yeah.
Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
So this is our stay for tonight. It's really just a bungalow in the middle of the jungle, which is super exciting, but also a little bit different for us, because it's definitely different standards, but definitely I'm excited to stay here.
Yeah.
This is our little bathroom area. We have a shower and a toilet and a little sink, and then a bed with what is that thing called again? What is that thing called again? I want to call it a bamboo, but it's yeah, that's the Dutch word. Yeah. But yeah, bed. Yeah. And then we have a little terrace area with a look out onto the river. Can't really see oh, there's the river. So we're gonna go and get changed when our suitcases arrive, because someone is literally bringing our suitcases to this little bungalow. And then we're gonna go to the elephant bathing, which I'm really excited about. Like, really excited. So, oh yeah, and also we need to put all of our food away, because the monkeys may get inside of our little bungalow. I mean, they probably can get the door open. I don't know how, but they...
No, because you have...
Yeah, you lock it.
Yeah.
Don't know how, but
maybe over
yeah,
there and-
there's holes enough for them to put themselves
Yeah,
through.
if they're not too big.
So,
they can come here.
but yeah, exciting stuff.
It's raining men.
I was gonna say, why do we look like we're gonna rob a bank? Look at you in all
Wait.
black.
I can do
I'm
better.
wearing all black.
This is like... you can't even see me.
Yeah. Camouflage, man. Now we're waiting for our parents, and then we're gonna go for some dinner here at our jungle house. And it just rained so hard that everything is soaked. But I mean, we're in a rainforest, so what do you
Yeah.
expect? And
We had the full experience now.
oh yes, it's so far it's been. I actually really love this place.
Okay.
It's super cool because it's yeah, except for the insects. You all good?
Never mind. I can't talk anymore.
So I'm excited to get some food because I'm actually quite hungry, and I'm curious to see what they have, and especially tomorrow on a tour.
French fries.
I'm just
So
really,
I eat every day.
yeah, I just really want to see what they have tomorrow on the jungle
Fried
tour.
shrimps. Or just shrimp.
Yes, food. Food. There's a minor storm going on. And we're just chilling in our little... still don't know what it's called.
A klamboe.
Reading about the jungle tour that we're doing tomorrow, which I'm really excited about.